Hey guys, I'm at Ina Road and Mona Lisa Road, and this crossing used to have manual buttons on both sides, and guess what they did now? And then they installed this pole here. They installed the pole right here, and then later, boom! New buttons.
Wait.
This one chirps.
Wait.
This chirps. So this is redone completely. This crossing, this intersection is completely redone.
Wait.
Well, not the lights and the pedestrian signals. They didn't change, but this did.
Wait.
It didn't get louder.
Wait.
It only chirps.
Wait.
Hurry up, lights. Turn red.
Wait.
Okay. That's nice. Listen to that chime.
19.
Countdown.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait.
That one chirps. Let me see what this one does.
Wait.
Oh, nice. It says
7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Eh. I'm gonna say one last good hello to this one. Okay, let's see what this one actually does here.
Wait.
Okay, I give up. It's just gonna chirp like the other one. That's it.